Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will look at how you can subtract numbers in Excel. There are ways of doing this in Excel. You can just type into cell and also use Excel as a calculator. For example, if you want to subtract 5 from 20, we can simply type equal to 20 minus 5. Click enter, you get the result. You can also subtract one column from another. For example, I will subtract the C columns from the B columns, then display the answer in the D column. To start, I will click the D3 cell in the spreadsheet where we want to display the answer. So in the D3 cell, I will type the following formula: equal to B3 minus C3. Click enter. As you can see, the formula deducts C3 value from B3. So it is really simple to subtract numbers in Excel. I hope you find this video useful. Please like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.